Are you looking for the best sanding belts for knife sharpening? Sanding belts are a critical link in the knife sharpening workflow, influencing edge quality, uniformity, and belt life. For knife sharpeners, the right belt choice can mean faster results, fewer passes, and less heat buildup that can temper or dull steel. This review compares 5 popular 1x30-inch or half by 12-inch belt sets across a range of grits and materials, from budget-conscious bundles to premium assortments.
Product number 1, 45-piece 1/2-inch by 12-inch knife sharpener overview. Its TPMAX kit targets work sharp systems, delivering a broad grit curve from 80 to 3000, including 2x80, 7x120, 7x240, 7x400, 7x600, 7x800, 4x1000 pyramid, and 4x3000 pyramid belts. The mix combines ceramic, alumina, and pyramid ceramic jade structures, aiming to balance aggressive material removal with refined finishing. The set is positioned as a comprehensive solution for de-rusting, deburring, edge sharpening, and polishing across metals, wood, glass, and composites, making it a versatile option for professional shops and DIY enthusiasts. Performance-wise, the varied belt materials contribute different cutting actions. Ceramic and pyramid belts deliver fast stock removal at coarser grits, while the 1000 through 3000 pyramid belts enable fine edge refinement. The kit's compatibility with multiple workshop models, WSKTS, WSKTSKT, MK.1, and MK.2, is a strong convenience for users upgrading or expanding a workshop ecosystem. However, the broad grit range requires some belt management in a single sharpening session to avoid unnecessary grit jumps. The quality emphasis on wear resistance and flat joints is notable, but care should be taken to track belt type, coefficient of friction, and heat generation when sharpening high-hardness steels.
Product number 2, 24-pack, 1x30-inch silicon carbide. Overview. SAC Orange's 24-pack provides a broad, uniform distribution of 6 grits, 120 by 240 by 400 by 600 by 800 by 1000, with 4 belts per grit. The belts are a silicon carbide designed for wet or dry operation and claim a bidirectional tape joint with anti-clogging steerate and resin-over-resin bonding for durability. The wide grit spread makes it suitable for rapid stock removal and finishing, with compatibility for metalworking, plastics, composites, glass, and stone. In use, the wet-dry capability reduces heat buildup and can improve surface finish on knives with tough alloys. The bidirectional tape joint helps maintain flatness during tracking, while anti-clogging properties extend belt life in resin-rich resins or metalworking residues. The main trade-off is that silicon carbide belts, while sharp and durable, can be harder on premium blade edges if used with overly aggressive grits without proper heat management. They are best for initial material removal and rough shaping, followed by finer grits on softer steels for a refined edge.
Product number 3, 1x30-inch sanding belts for knife. Overview. Shuttle Genius offers a curated 18-pack with 3 belts per grit across 120, 240, 400, 800, 1000, and 5000, expanding the spectrum to a high-precision 5000 grit for blade polishing. The blend includes ceramic alumina, silicon carbide pyramid alumina, and premium bonding with flat seam technology and bidirectional tape joints. This selection emphasizes sharpening versatility from coarse bevel restoration to ultra-fine edge polishing, making it suitable for knife enthusiasts seeking a broad finishing capability. Performance-wise, the presence of a 5000 grit belt supports mirror polish prospects on compatible steels, while the 120 to 1000 grit belts handle shaping and edge refinement. The multiple grit approach reduces the need to source separate belts, and the flat seam with resin-over-resin bonding suggests robust wear resistance. However, the higher price and the presence of diverse abrasive chemistries may require careful storage and labeling to avoid inadvertently using the wrong grit or material for a given blade alloy.
Product number 4, 4x36-inch silicon carbide sanding. Overview. Donanium's 4x36-inch belt set focuses on the compact, waterproof silicon carbide assortment with 600, 800, and 1000 grit. With a heavy backing and closed coat, these belts are designed for durable wet or dry sharpening tasks and feature a bi-directional joint with anti-clogging steerate and resin-over-resin bonding for longer belt life. Performance-wise, these belts emphasize controlled stock removal and reliable finishing, making them well-suited for metal finishing and light knife sharpening where heat management and edge integrity are essential. The closed coat and heavier J-weight backing suggest good wear resistance in damp environments and a steady grind. The limitation is the absence of coarser grits for initial bevel restoration and the lack of ultra-fine polishing options beyond 1000 grit.
Product number 5. Fikun Assorted 12-Pack of Overview. Fikun's kit pairs 12 belts, 2 each of 120, 220, 400, 600, 800, and 1200, with a knife sharpening angle guide meant to standardize the sharpening angle on a typical 1x30 belt sander. The included metal guide enables repeatable angles between 10 and 45 degrees, which is a practical addition for consistent bevel angles across blades. Performance-wise, the angle guide improves repeatability for users who value precise geometry, especially when sharpening multiple blades or teaching novices. The belt assortment covers broad finishing ranges, from coarse beveling 120 to 220 to mid-range 400 to 800 and fine polishing 1200. The primary drawbacks are the 12 belt limit for extensive collections and potential compatibility considerations if your sander lacks integrated platen space for the guide. Users should verify fitment with their specific 1x30 machine and guard clearance when using the angle guide.